Hello, hello.
Very good evening to one and all. We at NMIMS are extremely pleased to have amongst us today Mr. Anil Agrawal, Chairman, Vedanta Resources Private Limited, and Mr. A. Thiruvakarasu, President Group HR at Vedanta Resources. I request our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Rajan Saxena, to kindly welcome the Chief Guest with a bouquet and a memento. I request our Vice Chancellor to kindly invite Mr. Thiruvakarasu. Mr. Anil Agrawal is the founder-chairman of Vedanta Resources Private Limited, which is among the top 5 globally diversified metals and mining group with operations in India, Australia, Zambia, Namibia, Ireland and South Africa. Under his dynamic leadership, the group has grown into a world-class integrated producer of copper, aluminium, zinc, lead, silver, iron ore and commercial energy with a talent pool of 50,000 employees, providing direct and indirect employment to more than 250,000 people. Having started at a very small scale in 1988 with a revenue of just $2 million, the group has expanded exponentially and expects a revenue of about $10 million for the year 2011. With the recent completion of several expansion projects and the acquisition of Ken India, the group's earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization is expected to grow to $13 billion in the next 2 years. Over the years, the group has acquired Madras Aluminium Company, Bharat Aluminium Company, Hindustan Zinc, Sesa Goa, Dempo, Konkola Copper in Zambia and successfully turned around their operations and grown them manifold. Today, Vedanta Group is the second largest exporter from India and also the largest contributor to exchequer in 6 Indian states, namely Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Punjab and Goa. Mr. Agrawal has been a pioneer in taking Indian business to foreign shores and led the listing of Vedanta Resources Private Limited on the London Stock Exchange in the year 2003. Vedanta was the only Indian group that obtained a primary listing on the LSE and was also heralded as the second largest listing on LSE in 2003 and in addition the third largest IPO of all time in metals and mining industry. Vedanta's subsidiary Sterlite Industries Limited is also listed on the New York Stock Exchange. In 1992, Mr. Agrawal initiated the foundation of Sterlite Foundation, the philanthropic arm of Sterlite Industries India Limited. The foundation was created with a deep-seated belief that companies have a responsibility to contribute substantially to the welfare of the community that has allowed them to grow and prosper. The foundation concentrates on 3 main areas of corporate social responsibility, namely education, health, livelihood benefiting of several sections of the community, particularly the underprivileged, neglected and the vulnerable ones. Mr. Agrawal has also recently committed $1 billion from his personal wealth to establish a world-class multidisciplinary university in India.